One of the questions that we get all the time is, how easy is it to clean these cast iron cooking grates? So simple. All you need to do is turn the temperature up to maximum on all 4 burners, bring the lid down, leave it 5-10 minutes and let it really get some heat in there. So we've now got it up to temperature, and all you simply do is just give it a good brush. You can see all the rubbish is coming off. Take the top bit here, see all that grease comes off. And that's all you need to do. Job done. Right, after you've been using this barbecue maybe 2-3 times, depending on what you've been cooking on it, maybe 10 times, it really does depend on what you've been cooking on it. All you need to do is remove these grates, remove the flavorising bars, give it a good wash out with soapy warm water, the same with the grease trap underneath, and then the tray which is underneath you just throw in the bin and put a new grease tray in there, and that's the job done. It is that simple. I hope this has been helpful. So one of the questions that we get asked a lot is, how far should you have these coals lit before you tip them into the barbecue? I always like to see them just starting to get red at the top, and I split that between the two. So a couple on that side, rest of them there. And away he goes. And these gloves are perfect. So you just drop down your sides, and that's that job done. So we've got the coals alight. Now we just got to get this barbecue cleaned, ready for the use. And this barbecue hasn't been cleaned since the last time we used it, and you can see it is so simple to clean. You literally just run that, and that gets all that fat and grease off, and that really is, look at that, just cleans. That's now ready to use. So we get lots of requests on all sorts of things to do with Weber barbecues. Email us, YouTube us, Facebook us, and if we can throw a video together quickly for you, then we will, to show you any tips that you need to know. And don't forget, follow our YouTube channel. We've got loads of different stuff on that as well. I hope this has been useful. Thanks for listening.